Okay, I think I'm live. It is officially 2 o'clock. Hopefully somebody's coming. Okay. All right, we'll see how this goes. I'm going to give it a little bit of time. We're going to get started here in about 5 minutes. So if you got any requests, get them together. Who's here? Okay. I don't know who that is. Who's that? Oh, it's Jack. Oh, hey, Jack. What's going on, man? Hey. You said you had that math problem. I forgot. I haven't had a chance to call you back. I've been a little busier than normal. But I'll try to get with you. If not today, maybe tomorrow. We'll get you sorted out. Should be good. 13. Listen, 13. We'll see. If anybody else is there, just say hi. I'm going to cover as many problems as I can, as quickly as I can, because it's nice outside. Good day to play outside today. Let's see. 13. Yeah. All right, let me put a bookmark in here to get my stuff organized. Okay, yeah, we'll figure it out. Well, maybe we'll figure it out. We might not. It's hard to say. Sometimes you do, and sometimes you don't. All right, 9. Okay, that's pretty easy. Looks like we got a pretty easy week this week. All right. Let me give it about another 2 minutes, and I'm going to get started with whoever has questions. And if you don't, well, I don't know. Okay. Got everything together, kind of. Is the lighting good? Lighting okay? I know it's the basement, and I'm working with what I got. It's kind of, I need a better webcam is the problem, but making do with what we got. So hopefully that lighting's okay. I think the audio seems to be all right. No one's complained to that yet. So that should be all right. But let me see what time it is. We'll get going. As I know Duncan had 3 she wanted to hit, and I'm not going to waste your time. So if you're ready to go, we will roll. Okay, let me see. 2:03. Let's give it 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, and then we'll hit whatever you want to hit, okay? So, see, I got my calculator. I got my problems. I got my board. I think we got everything we need. I don't have my coffee. That's what I'm missing. It's okay. Actually, if you're there, no, it's okay. I don't need it. I'll be all right. All right, let me see. 1 more minute, and then we're going to get going. If they're there, and if they're not, too bad. Question 11. I think that's the same one Duncan wanted to. All right, let me see. That's the one you wanted to, right, Duncan? 11. $2:05. Time to start. Let's roll. All right, so 11. All right, let's see what's going on here. So 11. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, it says you work for a distribution manager for a company that processes maple syrup products. You ship them in 55-gallon cylinder drums. Each has a radius of 12 inches. The drums need to be shipped on pallets that measure 48 inches long, 72 inches wide. How many drums can you fit on each pallet? Okay. So I don't see why the 55-gallon drums even matter. That seems like it's extra information. So what I would do if it was me, I would probably say it has a radius of 12. So like imagine the drum being like this. This is 12. Okay. 55-gallon drum. Okay. So it means it's 24 across. So from here across is 24 inches or 2 feet. Right? Either way you want to look at that. Okay. And you've got pallets that are 48 inches long by 72 inches wide. Okay. So pallet will look like this, right? Hopefully that, can you see that all? Okay. And then it's 48 by 72. Well, if it was me, this is going to fit perfect. You can go one drum right there. That's 24 this way, right? Another drum right there. That's 24. Now, the question is, how many can you go this way? Well, you can go 3 this way. So this is obviously not done to scale, but you can see what I'm saying. So 24, 24, 24, 24. So you got 24, 3 of them going this way. That's 72. You got 2 of them stacked this way. That's 48, and they'll just stand up. So that 55-gallon drum doesn't matter at all. I think essentially you're looking for 6 there. So is that an option? A. Yeah. Money. Done? Makes sense? All right, let me see here. Let me catch myself up. Question 11. Simple. Oh, can you stack them? It doesn't say you can stack them, so I'm assuming no. I think you just go with just the base there. Let me double check the answer, but I'm nearly positive that it's going to be A there. Let's see. What the what? Oh, 11. Yeah, that's right. It's A. So A is good. You're good to go with A. That should do it. All right. Let's see. Darius wants 10. So number 11, A, right there. Easy peasy. All right. So Darius wants 10. I'm going to erase this. Hopefully you got what you need. If not, I'll post it. You can watch it later. All right. Keeping it moving here. Get a better eraser. All right. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. All right. 10. Civil engineer, you're drafting plans for a new water treatment plant. The water mains for this plant measure 48 inches in diameter. Okay. At each joint between pipes in the main, a rubber strip will be bonded with the outside of the pipe to improve the seal. How much longer will the rubber seal be when it's trimmed to fit around the pipe? Oh, how long will it be? Okay. So, all right, think about it like this. I think they're just asking for the circumference here. You got a water main, right? Measures 48 inches in diameter, right? So here's your water main. It's 48 inches long. They want to know there's a rubber piece going around the outside, right? So you just got to find the circumference. So circumference of that, remember circumference equals 2 times pi times r. So 2 times 3.14 times r. R is going to be half of that, so that's going to be 24. So drop that in your calculator. You should have your answer in a sec. Let's see what that says. Dang, it's dark over here. Okay. 2 times 3.14 times 24. I get 150.72. Let's see if that's an answer. 150.7. So that's your answer right there. H. Can't go wrong there. Easy peasy. All right, let's see. No, I'm saying the question is. Yeah, I just did question 10. Okay. Yeah, I got that right after I sent it. Okay. Okay. So yeah, there's 10. There's 11. Duncan, I know you had 2 more you wanted. I can't remember what numbers they are, but if you just post them on there, I'll do them for you. You just let me know. Or at least I'll lead you in the right direction. Hopefully that makes sense. 12 would be nice. All right, let's see. 12. All right, 12. Here we go. Let me erase this. We'll get going on 12. All right, number 12. Okay. Number 12, we got an employee of a landscape maintenance company. You're drafting a proposal that you're going to take care of a lawn of a small park. At one end of the park is a large circular fountain. A diameter of the basin of the fountain is 14 feet. A 3-foot wide stone path encircles the fountain. What is the approximate area covered by the fountain and the path? Okay, this isn't too bad. All right, so here's your fountain. This bad boy is 14 feet, right? And 3-foot stone path around, right? So you got your stone path going around here like that. These are all stones, like stones. You know what I'm saying? All right, and this stone path is 3. So that's 3. It's 3 on both sides. So you got 14 plus 3, or 3 plus 14 plus 3 is going to make it 20. So it's 20 feet all the way around the outside, right? So that's the base. But it's asking how much area. Well, remember, area equals pi r squared. So if we're looking at this, it's going to be pi times the radius. Well, this is the diameter. Remember that. That's diameter. Diameter is 20. So the radius would be 10. So 10 squared. So 10 squared is 100 times pi. So that makes it 314 point whatever. Some junk, right? So B. That should do it. Pretty easy. Not too bad. All right, let's see. Okay, so there's 12. What was that? All right. That's 13, not 12. Oops. Oh, oops. All right. Yep, that was 13. You're right. My bad. Okay, so let me catch up here. Okay. All right, so 12. Let's try doing the right problem this time. My bad. Sorry about that. A little extra one just for anybody watching it later. Pay attention to what I'm doing here. Okay, so 12. All right, 12. All right, athletic trainer, yada, yada, yada. Track. Okay, what is the approximate distance around the track shown in the diagram below? Okay, so this isn't too bad. We've got a track, right? And you get this curved section, and you got another curved section there. All right, so we want to know the distance all the way around. Well, we know we're 100 here, which means we're 100 here, right? So that's good. We know we're 30 and 60. Okay. So this is 60, and this is 30, which means, like, I'm going to kind of just, like, take this off, right? So I got 100 and 100. That's 200, right? So 100 plus 100 is 200. So now I've got a circle, right? So if you were to take, here, let me get a different colored marker here to help out a little bit. If you were to take this section, put them together, right? Now you got a circle like this. It's a well-done circle. That is 60 tall, and it's 30 this way, 30 that way, so it's 60 wide. So it's 60 by, it's the diameter 60, right? And we want to know the circumference of that because that's the distance around the outside. So circumference equals 2 pi r. Well, 2 times pi times r. R in our case is going to be 30, not 30, because that's the radius, right? So times 30. So 2 times 30 is 60, and 60 times pi, I don't know what that is. Whatever 60 times pi is should be our answer. Let's see if we got that. 60 times pi is 188.5. And then you got to tack on these guys. So you tack on those guys. So that's 200 plus this, right? So that's going to give you 388.5. So we get 388.5. And that answer should be, well, rounding, it would be H. Hopefully that makes sense. So you got to break that in some chunks. Break it into 2 chunks. That gives you your answer. Let's see. Okay. But it says the area of the stone path, not the total area covered. Oh, that's going back to the last problem. Oh, no. All right. You said you read it wrong. Okay. All right. So we're good. All right. So are we good up to now? I think that's 12. We're good. 13. We're good on accident. And 11. We're good. So Darius wants 9. I think I could hit that one next. So let me make sure I'm caught up on the chat. I think I am. Okay. I'm going to go to 9 then. Sorry. Moving kind of quickly, but you guys can always go back and watch this. All right. So number 9. You guys should get outside today. It's beautiful outside today. Go outside and do some math with some chalk, sidewalk chalk. All right. What are we doing? Number 9. Number 9. Okay, number 9. Okay. All right, product for a new rug for retailers. The rug will be made in 2 different rectangular sizes, one 5x8, one 9x12. What's the difference in the area of the 2 rugs? Oh, that's not too bad. So you got 5x8. Oh, Darius, you should be able to do this one. Other one 9x12. Right? So we're going to just find the difference in the area. So 5 times 8, that's 40. 9 times 12, I don't know. Whatever that is. Let's figure that out. 108. Subtract the 2. 108 minus 40, right? So you're going to be at 68. So 108 minus 40, 68 square feet. That's feet squared, right? So what answer is that? That's D. Come on, Darius. D for Darius. You should know that one. Okay. Yeah, D works. I got 9, but C, I don't know. D. Yeah, D. I think we're all good. 9 and 16. I have to head to work. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do, all right, we just did 9. So I'm going to go 16 then. Jump up there. Hopefully work's still going good, Jack. You liking it there, I hope? All right, 16. So, all right, 16. Manager of let's see what Jack said. Oh, you miscounted. Okay. All right. 16. Let's see. We got a park again. Urban composting program. Okay. And the community garden area set aside for the compost bins are 12 by 3 feet wide. 12 feet long, 3 feet wide. The bins are 45 inches high and 36 inches in diameter. How many bins will fit in the area for composting? That's another one that, I don't think that 45 inches high matters at all. Who cares? Who cares how tall they are? It doesn't say. I mean, there's no limit on the sky, so who cares? So we're going with 12 by 3. So 12 by 3, that's our composting area we're given. Meter feet. And we're told that the bins, right, are 36 inches in diameter. So 36 inches in diameter. So they look like this, and they're 36 inches in diameter. Well, 36 inches is 3 feet, right? Is it that easy? Yeah, I think so. Okay. So if this is 3 feet and those bins are 36 inches, right? There's one bin, 136, right? So that's going to go the whole 3 feet, right? That's going to go from here to there. That's 3 feet, 36 inches, right? So now the question is, how many sections can we go this way? So this is 3. So that's 3. Then we'll do another one. There's another 3. And we'll do another one. There's another 3. I'll do another one. There's another 3. And 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. And that means I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bins. 4 bins in that setup. So 4 bins. G. Looking at G right there. Okay. Does that make sense? Hopefully that's Good. I'm glad you like it there, Jack. That's good. Basic lathe work. That sounds like fun. That's a good job. Hold on to that, John. Lots of rooms to move up in that company. Anybody else got any other ones? So we'll have a quiz tomorrow, right? Quiz over all of these problems. So, and then we're going to do this one more week. And then I might change it up on you a little bit. I might make it easier, I think, by just putting a couple videos out there and having you watch a couple videos and answer some simple questions as we go. But we're going to do one more week of this format because that's what I got set up. And then after that point, I might change it a little bit to where I have you watch like 2 videos a week. I'm trying to keep it easy. We're having some people that are struggling with this. So at least one more week of this. We're going to have a quiz tomorrow. That'll be the last grade of the 3rd quarter. And then from that point on, we're going to we're probably going to be changing it. And I'll let you know how that'll look. Okay. All right. Let me see here. So Darius, 14 and 15. Aaliyah wants 14. How we doing, Yoshi? Hopefully everything's good. Okay. Makes sense to me. Text. Okay. Oh, we'll do. I'll text you later. Okay. Okay. So 14 and 15. Let's see if we can knock these out. 14, 15, 14, 15. 14 is you got a commercial designer for a furniture company. You're making a new. All right. Hold on. Let me put this up on the board. We're doing 14 first. We'll do 14, then we'll do 15. Okay. All right, 14. Here we go. Okay, you're using. All right, let's see. Each cushion is 2 circular pieces of fabric are needed. The radius of each piece is 1 3/4 feet. Right. What is the approximate area of the fabric needed to make 1 cushion? Okay, so let's think this out. So you need 2 of those pieces to make it, right? So I need 2 circles, right? And we're told that the radius is 1 3/4 feet. So 1 3/4 for the radius. Same thing here. 1 3/4. Okay. So the question is, what is the area of these guys? If you find the area 1, I got the area 2. So instead of using 3/4, let's just switch this to 1.75. I think it's just a little bit easier to work with. So remember the formula for area. Area equals pi r squared. So there's my r. So pi times 1.75 squared. And that would be the area. Now, remember, that's the area of only 1. We'll have to double this at the end, but let's just find the area of 1, then we'll go from there. Okay? So let's see. Pi times 1.75 times 1.75, because that's what squared means. So for 1 cushion, or for 1 circle, you need 9.62, right? Now, that's only for this guy, right? We got to include this guy because the cushion takes 2 pieces. So we're going to times this by 2. So times 2. And we're going to get 19.24. And that's going to be our answer. And what question was this? 14. So that's going to be J. Make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. Okay. Let's see. Does that make sense? You guys okay on that one? Pretty good? We're getting new webcams too, by the way. So this picture will look a little better in the days to come. Hopefully. Anyway. All right. So that's 14. All right, everyone good on 14 before I move on to 15? All right. I'm going to hit 15 unless somebody says that doesn't make sense. If it doesn't make sense, I'll be happy to go back over it. Okay. Here we go. We're going to go to 15 then. And I'll put this on the website too to help you guys out with this. But all right, 15. Here we go. Okay, so 15. Transportation engineer redesigning a parking lot for a small shopping center. Dimensions are shown below. What is the area of the parking lot? Oh, okay. All right. So I'm going to draw it out. Not done to scale, obviously. This is 40. This is 140. This is 80. And this is 100. So best advice here is to probably split this into pieces that you know. Now, this is not drawn to scale because we know if this is 40 and this is unknown and it adds up to 80, that means that this piece is also 40. So 40 and 40, they're equal, okay? And that would make it 80 altogether. So this kind of, I know I didn't draw it proportionally, but that's what it is, okay? So this one up here, right, we're going to go 40 times 100. That's 400, right? And then down here, we got 40 times 140. Well, what is that? 40 times 140. What? Yeah, that's right. 5,600. Okay? So we add those two guys together, and you get 6,000. Is that one of our options, I hope? Oh, uh-oh. I did something wrong. Shoot. What did I do wrong here? 40 times 140. 80. Uh-oh. Well, shoot. Maybe, let me make sure I'm reading the problem right. Okay, the dimensions of the parking lot are shown below. What is the area of the parking lot? Okay, that all looks good. 40, 40. 40 times 140. Let me double check that. 40 times 140. All right, that's good. Aha! You see that? I made a mistake. 40 times 100 is not 400. It is 4,000, which changes this. My bad. Sorry, guys. That makes it 9,600 when you add these two pieces together. My bad. Simple mistake. It can happen. So that is going to be B. Hopefully that makes sense. Give me a little thumbs up if that makes sense and you got that problem. You should be good to go. Okay. Yeah, I know. My bad. Yeah, you're right. 9,600. That's right. All right. Anybody else got another one? I think that's, let's see. We've covered a bunch of them. Let's see. We've covered 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I don't know. You want to do 10 since we're here? It's the only one I haven't done. Oh, no, we did 10. Did we do them all? I think we did. Yep, I think we did them all. So you're all gravy now. Good. All right, Aaliyah, did you get a chance to do the quiz from last week? The one that was on last Friday? If you can get that in, that way you won't be overwhelmed with like 2 quizzes at the same time. I know you had some internet issues, but I'm glad to see that they got it figured out. If you guys got any other questions, I think we got all of these. So I'll post these on the Google Classroom, and then like if you want to rewatch it to see problems, you could do that. But yeah, again, quiz tomorrow. Make sure you're ready to go on that, and yeah, that should be it. So like I said, we're gonna do one more quiz tomorrow. That'll be on this quarter. Okay, it'll be the last grade of this quarter. And then next week, we're going to do the same setup, one more round of this, and then we are going to change it up a little bit. We're going to do I'm going to put a video. You're going to watch a video. You're going to answer a couple questions within the video, and we'll call it a day. 10 was H, right? Let me see. 10 was 10. What? 10 was H. Yeah, 10 was H. Okay. What did you say here, Darius? Oh, yeah, it is 9 through 16. You want to see? You want answers for 8? Here, I'm giving them out while I'm here. Let's see. H. Yep, I got H too. Oh, I got H for 8. Yeah. If you want to, we can do 8. You want to do 8 real quick? It's up to you. We could do that one. So, all right, 8. Yeah, this one's not too bad. So you're going to do, you're trying to find the surface area of that. So it's going to be 10 times the circumference of that. And the circumference of the 3 inches is 2 times pi times r, 2 pi r. So 3 times 2 times pi gives you 18.84, which is h. So it's h. H should do it. Okay, so number 8 is H. Make sure you guys get that one right. Okay, you guys all good then? Hopefully it's going good. Why don't you guys get outside today, get a little sunshine. It'll make you feel good. Stay away from people. Like I said, quiz tomorrow. And then we'll do one more week of the same format. Keep checking in every instruction up. We're going to do it a little bit differently moving forward if it continues past that point. Okay? So hopefully everybody's good. Stay safe. You know, go get some sunshine today. And we will see you guys later. I'm going to sign on out.